This is my second attempt of streaming on Arch Linux. Let's hope it actually works this time. Hello? Hello? It works. Bro, it's back to Windows 10. Ugh. Why is bro on Windows 10? Usually the blood is on Windows 10. What the hell? See, is the bitrate good? Whoa, that is awful. That is awful, man. One sec. That actually hurt my eyes. You see, dude. How do I? Yeah, that's actually good quality, to be fair. Okay. Oh, it's decent. I got about 2,000 bit rates. Anyway, we're so good. We're good. We're good. So back to what I was doing. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, that's it. I'm trying to remember all the keybinds again. Jamie, don't get mad. I'm on Linux. Oh, I gotta log in again. Yeah, that's all right. Let's just do that real quick. You was vomiting out your window last night. Arthur, silly Billy.
Sleep. Just hear those sleigh bells jingling a ring a ting a ting a ling a too. Ring a ling a ling a ding dong. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with a Jew. Ring a ling a ding a ding dong. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you home. Ring a ling a ling a ding. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with a Jew. Ring a ling a ling a ding dong ding. Ring a ling a ling a ding dong ding. Ring a ling a ling a ding dong. Just hear those sleeps. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree.
What is this guy talking about?
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
This guy doesn't have post notices on. You're not a real fan. You don't have post notifications, man. Right, day one, let's go.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath.
This is hurting my ears. It's hurting my ears, man. Goated songs, though. I'm gonna play that on Christmas. What is going on? There it is. The stream's current bitrate is higher than recommended. Shut your bitch ass up. Had 2 beers, Jägermeisters, and some Baileys. Yeah, bro. Sloppy. Second sloppies, you know what I mean?
I don't need to hear dashing through the snow in a one horse.
Is this one better? Alright.
Laughing all the way, ha ha ha, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, Fanny Bride. He was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank. Misfortune seemed a lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bell.
How is it? They are copyrighted. They are not copyrighted, no. Nothing is copyrighted, my friend. If it would be copyrighted, I would have been dead by now. I'm not using Vim. What are you talking about? Does bro not see the letter N? This isn't Vim. It's NVim. It is NVim, brother. I'm still trying to figure out how this works. Okay. I know a lot about the letter N, yeah? Is that so? Is that so? Jingle bells, your mom smells. Robin flew away. Uncle Billy lost his willy down the motorway. Hey. Yo. No, but I do need some Christmas songs. It would be funny to have as a background music, but like his voice is a bit jarring.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing and jingle bell ring.
I've had enough. DroidCam still doesn't work on my Arch Linux. No matter how many hours I put into it, still doesn't work. Just can't work. You know a very cool word that starts with N? Nincompoop. I think that's a pretty babyish word, man. Poor Uncle Billy, I know, right? So, right. What do you guys think of this elf I got over here? Grinch. He's beautiful, isn't he? Okay, so. Okay, so. Why have I exited NVim? Oh, bro, I didn't save it. Okay. Jingle bells. Who's this? Oh, it's from Code Wars. What? Wait. Code Wars made Advent of Code? No way. Well, let's see. Where's day one? Romania. Crazy. Punch in the code and join the leaderboard. I'm alright. I'm gonna be last place anyway. Okay, now we're good. So, what is this wetness on my desk? What the fuck? Yo, my desk is leaking. Why is it white? What? Bro, there's some white thing on my desk. What? I don't know. I don't know where this came from, man. I don't know where. It just. Wagwan my C++ driller. Driller. It's Driller J and I'm back on the track. Yo, why is it actually white? Yo, it smells of almonds. Bro, why does it smell of almonds anyways? Coding things, how are you? What's good? Code and table both got leaks. Nah, there's no code unfortunately yet. Bro, why is it sticky? It's sticky. I don't know what I had on my desk that makes it... What the fuck? Mika, you wish it was yours. It's not yours. Okay. Right, we're good. Vanilla and sticky, what was bro up to? I did not say it was vanilla. Yeah, almond. That's it. So, I just need to test. Does the CSTD library contain cout? No, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't exist. I thought so, man. What Christmas music should I put on? No music. Well, you're a Scrooge, aren't you, buddy? You're this guy over here. The only good thing is some anime stuff. Nah. I've got an idea. Wait. So it's called David Goggins Law. Wait, I've got the best thing for that. Wait, I've got such a good idea. Coding things you just gave me such a good idea. Oh, come on, let me find it fast. That's not it. Wait, where is it?
It's time to stay focused. It's time to decide, fuck clubs, fuck partying, fuck trying to fit in and socialize, rub elbows with everybody so people can stop calling you weird. Why are you so antisocial?
Coding David Goggins right now. Let's go. Let's get it.
Why are you staying on the basketball court so much? Because I'm trying to get it. Why are you out there practicing in the hot sun when ain't nobody else out there? Because I'm trying to get it. Why are you not clubbing? Like every time I text you and invite you to go do something fun and cool, you always studying. Because I'm trying to get it. Let me tell you something, homie. These women ain't going nowhere. These clubs, these
Bro, it's talking about women. You know what's really crazy, right? I can't even listen to this song because I'm underage. Got one minute left. Yeah, I would play some Manele, but you guys wouldn't know what that is, really. Okay, let's get back to this. I didn't even read the first line of the problem. What's going on? So, the elves have good news and bad news. The good news is that they've discovered project management. This has given them the tools they need to prevent their usual Christmas emergency. For example, they now need to know that North Pole decorations need to be finished soon so that the other critical tasks can start on time. The bad news is that they've realized that they have a different emergency. According to their resource planning, none of them have any time left to decorate the North Pole. To save Christmas, the elves need you to finish decorating the North Pole by December 12th. Collect stars by solving puzzles. 2 puzzles will be available on each day. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first. Each puzzle grants 1 star. You arrive at a secret entrance to the North Pole base, ready to start decorating. Unfortunately, the password seems to have changed. Just can't get in. A document taped to the wall helpfully explains. Due to new security protocols, the password is locked in a safe below. Please see the attached document for the new combination. The safe has a dial with only an arrow on it. Around the dial are the numbers 0 through 99. In order, as you turn the dial, it makes a small click noise as it reaches each number. The attached document, your puzzle number, contains a sequence of rotations, once per line, which tell you how to open a safe. A rotation starts with left or right, indicating the rotation. Left towards low numbers, right towards high numbers. Then the rotation has a distance value, which indicates how many clicks the dial should be rotated in the direction. So if the dial was pointing at 11, a rotation of R8 would cause the dial to point at 19. So R is basically plus, L is just minus. We can substitute that in. So, and it goes in a cycle, because if you're at 99 and you go +1, if you do R1, then it goes to 0. So if the dial were pointing at 5, the rotation of L10 would be 95. Yeah. After that, rotation of R5 would cause it to point to 0. The dial starts by pointing at 50. Okay. Yeah, middle. You can follow the instructions, but your recent required official North Pole secret secret entrance security training seminar taught you that the safe is actually a decoy. The actual password is the number of times the dial is left pointing at 0 after any rotation is in the sequence. The actual password is the number of times the dial is left pointing at 0 after any rotation in the sequence. Left pointing at 0. What the hell does that mean? For example, suppose the attached document contained the following rotations: L68, L30, R48, Following the rotations, it would cause the dial to move like that. So it points at 32. Because the dial points at 0 a total of 3 times during the process, the password in this example is 3. But why does it say left pointing? That doesn't have any correlation. Yeah, so this left pointing, this doesn't have any correlation to the actual problem, because R48 turns to 0, and on this one L55 also turns to 0, so it doesn't matter if they're left or right. If it goes to 0, then that's the answer. Then it counts towards the answer. The password is 3 in this example. Analyze the rotations in your attached document. What's the actual password to open a door? Okay, let's get the puzzle input. Hi, Craft from Zen. How are you? Wow. So how am I supposed to get this in a file? Because this is like can I not view the page source? This is just raw HTML. It's not a JSON file. Okay, I'll just put this all in a file then. So what am I doing? I didn't need to exit. I can just do this and then that. What is it? What would I call this? Rotations. How do I go to the bottom again? Oh, like that, okay. So, 4,000 lines. Why is there 4,000 lines? That's crazy. Craft ROM. Okay, well, we need to... I wonder if file streams included. Probably not. We need to get IF stream. What's wrong? I forgot what my keybind is to get code help. IF stream my file. Yes, I did that perfectly. And then use a while loop together with the getLine function to read a file line by line. So I'm missing 2 arguments. Oh no, I've actually spelled the thing wrong. No. What is going on? Neovim is so hard. Yeah. Okay. So apparently. This website is saying use getLine function, but I'm using getLine method. I've never seen this before. The function. I've only seen the method. I'll just try their method. Their routine. Fair enough. Okay, it works. So now I need to Baker sleep, put it. I need to make an answer. So are they all integers? Yes, they are. Okay. Right. So they're between 1 and 3. 1 and 3 numbers. All I got to do is each line remove the first character, which is left or right, and then I get the actual integer value. Okay. So okay, it works. So now we got all the integer values. Now I basically just need to do calculations with it. So all right. We'd have current rotation. Right, current rotation is 50 because we start at 50. It says up here where the dial starts by pointing at 50. Okay. Now the only tricky bit in this entire exercise is when it gets to 99, you need to go back to 0. So that's gonna be maybe difficult. Right. So direction. I think I think I'm gonna be a smart ass. I'm gonna try something. So, right. If I think I can just use indexing like that. Nah, that's not gonna work. It is not gonna work, man. It's a car. What's a car? What is a car, man? Oh, you mean that? I have to change the quotation marks. Thank you for that. Okay, it works, but I didn't print it out. I'm just doing this for testing as well. Okay, it's either a 0 or a 1. Yeah, right. Fair enough. That's how enum works. Okay. So why is there a 0 at the end? Why is there a 0 at the end? Right at the bottom. L43, but we're getting a 0. We're getting just left. We're not getting the 43. Oh, we are. No, we are. Wait a second. So what? Maybe it's like a new line character or something. Anyway, I got to exclude this. So this section here, that is got nothing to do with anything. So I got to exclude it. Essentially. Maybe you should have a new line at the last line. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that is a good idea. Ah, wait. I know what's going on. No, so basically, I'm printing out the number and then I'm printing out the direction afterwards. So everything's completely fine. I just formatted it very weirdly. Okay, right. What I should be doing is... I should be doing this. Right. So we got the direction and then we got that. So right. This should be good now. Yeah, that's it. Okay. 043, which is left 43, which is exactly what we wanted. Okay, right. So the point of that was just to use it at some point. I'm going to use that these numbers. So there isn't much point of this enum. I just did it for fun. But we just got to do the calculations then. So if direction is left, then we'll do current rotation. Left is what? What is left again? Left is minus, right? Huh? 50 minus 68 leaves 18. Am I using Hyperland? Yes, I am. I am indeed using Hyperland, if you're asking me. Alright, it's starting to get a bit cold now. Yeah, so it's minusing anyway. Minus. Oh, I should make a temporary thing. Int temp rotation. Oh, no, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Line at position 0. Wait, no. What am I doing? Temp rotation. What am I doing? Wait, I've got no clue what's going in my head. I don't need this. Current rotation minus. Oh, I do need it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Like halfway through, I just completely got brain fog. I forgot what I was doing completely. Yes, okay. All right. So that's it. Okay. Temp rotation. Right. And then assign it back to current rotation. So, yeah. So let's see my one. All right. Get to the top. R5. So we start off at 50, we do right 5. Yeah. So R5 would be right 5, and that would be 55. So after this, it should print 55. Right. And just for testing purposes, we'll do that. So now, what's the problem? Line.substring. What's the problem there? What was the keybind? I know it's different for everyone, but it might be it. CA, that's it, yeah. No code actions available. Oh, nice. I'll parallelly start working on day 2 problem. Good. Good luck on that, man. Convert the string to an integer. You know what? You know what? That's right. I didn't think of that. Now, how will I do that? Is it static cast? I actually don't know how to do this. Six, 7 people watching. That is such cap. It's 5. Right, so. Yeah, right. But I need to ask my best friend. So what the hell's going on? So static cast does it at compile time. Cannot convert text to number. It can't. What's the point of it then? Ah, it's for other numbers. All right. So like double to int. Okay. STD string to int. That turns a string into an int. All right. I get it, man. I get it. line dot substring. So what's the problem now? Insert parenthesis. Where? What? I haven't. Oh, I get it. Okay. I use brackets instead of parentheses. My bad. My bad. Okay, that's good now. Just curious, why not use the line? What do you mean? I am using the line. Use learn CPP. Yeah, it's good sometimes. I don't think I need it right now though. You're not good at C++. What language do you use? Ahil Dev. That, by the way, triggered my reflexes. Okay. So let's test this out. So the first value we should get is 55. I didn't format it. Oh, I got it. Yes. Okay. Right. So we got 55 over here. So that means the base logic is working correctly. Very good. Very good. Very nice. So I'm still used to Python where it prints out a next line automatically. But yeah, I want to try this again. Beautiful. Negative numbers. Okay. 5,504. 63. Okay. Right. I need to check if it goes above 99, then I need to make it go to 0. Using namespace std. You love C#? I don't. I hate that. Monkey language. You don't know what younger SPCCL needs, brother. Me average at English. Who said that? You won't, mate. No, I just had a few traumatic experiences with C++ in Unity, so kind of put me in a bias. Okay, so I just simply got to check if I'll just do it like a temporary calculation that doesn't get stored. If current rotation, temp rotation, is more than, is less than 0, then we need to reset it to 0, right? Oh, this is hard. How would you? Oh, I'd have to find the difference between the current number and 0, which is just the current number. What? What, blood? What? What's the logic? So if we start at 50, right, and the dial gets rotated by left 68 times, 68 clicks. So and we get to 82. How do we do that? Right. We'd find the difference between 68 and 50, which is 18. Right. And then we'd start off at 100. So we'd reset the current rotation to 100 and then do minus 18. And then it's the same logic for the right side. So if we start off at like 95, for example, and then we do R60, that would be we just add 5, then reset the position to 0, then add 55, because that's what's remainder. And then we get 55. Yeah, that should be it. Modulus. I don't know why we need to do division. We're not dividing anything. It's currently a nice 20 degrees in my room. I don't know how your parents are affording 35 degrees Celsius. They must be dying. F sharp. Hello, just curious. What's good? Ahil Dev is new here. We've got to welcome him with or her with warm arms. Five Nights at Games. Ahil Dev, did you subscribe? Cause I don't see the sub count going higher, man. Starting to get a little bit disappointed, I can't lie. You cannot prove it. No one can prove it. I'm good at hiding my steps. So, I just got to fill in these 4 if statements, and then that's basically it. What the fuck did I just do? What happened? Wait, what? I swear, it just got formatted. Everything just got formatted. Or am I crazy? Yeah, I'm going crazy. Yeah, right. I thought these if statements got formatted, but they actually didn't. I made it like that already. Just subscribe. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. That'll be the best decision you've made today. Who is blood nodding to? The demons in my head, man. So, if it's less than 0, we need to do. This is a temporary calculation. Right, we need to do what the algorithm I just said in my head, and I completely forgot it. So let's try it again. We start at 50, so that's current rotation. We need to find temp rotation minus current rotation. What is temp rotation? 68, right? Yeah. 68 minus 50. So remainder is this. Right, remainder is that. And then we do current rotation is, we set that to 0. And then we do, wait. No, set it to 100. Right then, buddy. Then we do current rotation minus equals remainder. So if we go through that logically, right. Reminder, temp rotation minus current rotation. 68 minus 50 is 18. And then we do 100 minus 18. It's 82. So that's the correct answer. Else, we'd simply just do this. So I'll put that in there. Yeah, right. Wait, no. If current rotation minus temp rotation, yeah. We need to check every single time if it lands on 0, then we increase the answer variable. Wait, no, that wouldn't work. It would be current rotation I think I'm going to need the absolute function from the math library. Right. Temp rotation, current rotation minus temp. So that would be 95 plus 60. That would give 45. $35. Yeah. That's not how it works. 95 minus temp, which is 60. Wait a second. Wait. 95 minus 6. Yeah, 35. So that's wrong. So I think the plus one's a bit more complicated. Mm. I just realized I gotta do something else first. I need to make that 100. Yeah, 100, yeah. I don't need to do that on this one. Yeah, I can actually remove this entire thing. It's not needed. What's the problem? Oh, I didn't put a semicolon. Okay, let's just see if it compiles and then I'm gonna read the chat. It does, okay. This is definitely wrong. And I need to mute myself because, yeah, that's wrong. So instantly, that's the wrong value right there. Right. I need to put myself on. Do not disturb, otherwise my friends are gonna my friends are gonna dox me by accident. Okay. 44% of people have completed day one. Interesting. Right. How's chat going? Look what Windows has done to bro. Yeah. Guys talking about Fortnite. Why are minus VE numbers printing? I have not figured that out. I don't know. Why am I a bad boy? You're gonna be seeing 8 Gabes in a bit. Well, what's the time? 2:40. I've got another 20 minutes left. Let's see if I can do it. So. The answer is 5. That is not true. That's not true. Right, I'm gonna put it in, but it's probably incorrect, so that's not the right answer. Damn. Please wait 1 minute before trying again. Subreddit. What do you mean, no way? Look how stupid this question is. Should I try to get a fast solution time? No shit. Who would ask that sort of question? Anyway. I don't get how it's going in the minuses. If you're talking about me, I am not British, primarily. Of course, it would go negative. You have to bring back plus VE. What is plus VE? No, what is VE? I mean, VE. What is that? Vegetables. Positive equals plus VE. Short form for positive. All right. Positive equals positive plus positive. Where? Did I remove that at some point? Oh, I didn't do the positive section, you mean, yeah. I think that plus VE minus V is also used in England. I'm a bit silly right now. And I didn't know about it. Current rotation minus temp rotation. That doesn't make sense though. So if we're on 95, current rotation plus temp rotation, let's say we're doing these two, right? So we're doing this one highlighted in blue. So 95 plus 60 is more than 100. So we're going to activate this if statement. So remainder is current rotation, 95 minus temp rotation. That gives 35. That can't be the answer. The remainder after when it gets to 100 would be 55. Because 95 plus 5 is 100. And then you need to add 55 to do that. So to get to 55. So what would the calculation be? 100 minus 95 plus 5. Okay. And then okay, that works. That works. Okay, I'm just gonna try this out, see if it works, man. And I know my naming convention isn't the best. So in temp, we got 5 right now, for example. Right, and then we do temp rotation. Right, that equals 55. Right, and then we do we don't need this anymore. Well, we can just do shit. Wait. Rotation 60. 60 minus 5 is 55. So we can just say current rotation is temp rotation. And that's it. That's it. Right. Let's try this out. So last time we got the answer is 5, obviously, because I had broken code. I still got 5. What? What? All of these negative numbers, where do you come from? Wait. I need to, like I said like 10 minutes ago, I need to include the ABS. Okay, so this should work now. What do you mean I still got 5? So we're getting some minuses. How? Oh, well that makes sense. That's purely a logical error on my part. But for some reason, I'm still getting 5 as the answer. Okay, these definitely should not be there. They should not be there. Current rotation plus temp rotation modulo 100. New rotation value will be current rotation plus temp rotation modulo 100. Game scroll down. Bro, I'm on the live chat. I have not missed anything. It says the dial is at 10 and you do L15, it becomes -5. Ah. It should be 95. Yeah, so the logic is flawed again. I have a habit of writing plus CVV. The echoes are going to reach the top. What are you guys waffling on about? Hello, Umar Sial. May you ask what this is about? Yes, I mean, it's currently doing a challenge on adventofcode.com, as you can see here. They're just some coding challenges, right? Every year, from the 1st of December until the last day of December or something. They release challenges and they get harder every day. And they're good for beginner programmers to up their skill level. So it's good for problem solving. Yeah, that's it basically. And I'm on day 1. Mika, I'd like to see you try this in C++ if you think I'm taking too long. So this ABS shouldn't be a thing. Right. So the left logic is flawed, the minusing one. So if it goes less than 0, then remainder is temp rotation. Oh yeah, you put the formula in the chat, didn't you? Ahil Dev, you put the same formula in the chat twice. Current rotation plus temp rotation modulo 100. You put that twice. Is it meant to be the same thing? Wow, there are so many if statements. This is disgusting. This is awful. Sit there, buddy. Yeah. Okay. So, temp rotation 68 minus 50 gives 18. 100. I'll just make this clearer. A 100 minus 18 is 82. So it's correct. Wait. I'm accidentally using their example instead of my example. So R5. Right, so we should get 55 for the first. Why have I got a warning? Where's the warning? Oh. Okay, buddy. So the first value I should get is 55. I can't even scroll to the top. Okay, now we're getting the minus values back. This is weird. Thanks for answering. I just started a computer science degree. I'll try it out once things get straight. Good luck with your computer science journey, brother. Or sister. You know, keep on misgendering people online, whatever. So, yeah. I mean, I bet I could do this in Python much easily. Why am I not getting 55? Current rotation equals cut itself plus temp rotation. So that's 50 plus 5. I don't understand what the problem is. $55. See? So we get the correct answer. We're getting 55. That's exactly what we need. So then, what? Bro, what? Bro, I'm actually going to crash out. What is this? What is going on? Okay. So I don't know why we got 255s. But it's correct. Okay. So I'm just going to have to go through each control path and see which one is the buggy one. Stop it. Bro. Come on, man. And then we have R49. So for this one, the current rotation is 55. .49 plus 55 is more than 100. So we would go through this control path. So, right. Ahil, I wanna use your modulo method, but I don't know how to implement it. Could you type something in the chat? Give me like a hint, please. Temp is what was I doing? One Grinch plus equipped. 135% typing speed. Nah, more like 135% grumpiness increased. But he's smiling. That is not. He doesn't normally smile. That line works. Copy that. The line that you said. So stop it. Current rotation plus temp rotation. Hmm. 104 modulo 100. Before I ask, don't tell me I forgot how modulo works. 10 modulo 2 is 5. No, it's not. How does modulo work again? It returns the remainder, so 0. 10 modulo 2 is 0. As an example, right? It's 0. So, yeah. So that means 104 modulo 100 is 1. It's 4. So what do we do with that 4? Current rotation is now 4, but that's not correct. To be clear, what you do is, let's say the dial currently points at something for right rotation, you'd rotate that amount, correct it by taking modulo 100. This is hard. You know what modulo does, right? Yeah, I do. It gives the remainder from a division. But I'm not wrapping my head around high modulo calculations. Say dial is at 95 and next to do is R10. All right. Add 10 so it becomes 105 and new dial value is oh, okay. I understand now. Yeah. So this formula wouldn't be correct for the updated explanation. But no, it would be. Yeah, it would be. What? Yeah, 104 modulo 100 is 4. But that's not the right answer, though. What do I do with the number 4, right? So in your example, you put 105 modulo 100, it gives 5. What do you do with that 5? You just add it. You just add it from 0, from 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. No, that won't be correct. Is that the same on this side, though? On the left? If you would do the left, like, minus calculation, is it the same formula? That's how a dial works. It's like a clock, but from 0 to 99. Okay, I got 9 this time. Now it's a better answer than what I got last time, which was 5. But I don't think that will be the correct answer. Yeah, it's definitely not. Because of all of these negatives. I need to get rid of these negatives. After 99, say you rotate 5 more. It goes 99, 0, 1, 2, 3. So you don't start at 100. You start at 0. Okay, so I've got the logic a bit messed up. It's getting tricky, but I gotta go to work. I gotta go to my job. So I gotta end the stream now. Thank you, Ahil Dev, and everyone else for helping and attending the stream. Anyways, yeah. I will try to figure this out later. That's all the hint I can give. Good luck. Thank you, man. And good luck with your day 2. I mean, you've probably completed it by now, but yeah, we'll see. So, how does this Linux thing work again? I got this secret window. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Good luck. Yeah, you're done with day 2.